Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you some of the different 3D view styles in MSCAD. So you can see I have a few different 3D objects on screen right now. If I change my visual style from hidden to conceptual, they're all going to become opaque. And you can see here if I orbit around and look around, I have a bunch of different objects in the background and they've all turned opaque. If I then take my view and I change it to hidden, now you can see they're still opaque, but they're not filled in white. They're just filled in black like the background, and they still hide each other when you look around. I can then change my view to realistic, and that changes sort of how they're shaded, but they again become white opaque or whatever material I've chosen. And then I can also go to wireframe, and now I just see them in the 3D. I see the 3D lines, but I don't see the faces. That's all for today's video. If you like videos like this, make sure to like this video. Go ahead and leave us a comment with what you liked. You can subscribe to our channel if you like to see content like this regularly, and you can hit the bell to get notified of all our future videos. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca.